तुम बापा केउठी अछंती? Where is your father? Where is your father? से घरे नाहांती. He is not at home. He is not at home. से आसुछंती. He is coming. He is coming. मोर एहा दरकार. I need it. I need it. तुमे अंध की? Are you blind? Are you blind? ठीक भाबरे चलो. Walk properly. Walk properly. एहा को मते दियो. Give it to me. Give it to me. एहा मोठारु नियो. Take this from me. Take this from me. आजी शिक्षक मते गाली देले. Teacher scolded me today. Teacher scolded me today. किंतु काहेकि? But why? But why? मो होमवर्क करि नथिली. I did not do homework. I did not do homework. ठीक समय रे तुमर होमवर्क संपूर्ण कर. Complete your homework on time. Complete your homework on time. मिछ कहिबा बंद कर. Stop lying. Stop lying. मते मिछ कह नहीं. Don't tell me lie. Don't tell me lie. मोर दोष कौन? What is my fault? What is my fault? एहा मोर इच्छा. It's my will. It's my will. दया करी मते क्षमा करि दियो. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. से किपरि देखा जाए? How does he looks like? How does he looks like? मु तांकु पचारिबाकु भूली गली. I forgot to ask him. I forgot to ask him. से मते बोका बनेची. He has fooled me. He has fooled me. ए विषय रे काहाको कुह नहीं. Don't tell anyone about this. Don't tell anyone about this. एहा मोर दुर्भाग्य. It's my bad luck. It's my bad luck. मु वर्तमान किछि कहि पारे कि? May I say something now? May I say something now? मु तुमठारु किछि चाहे. I want something from you. I want something from you. तुमे कौन चाह? What do you want? What do you want? तुमे बहुत जिदखोर. You are so stubborn. You are so stubborn. एक मास बीती गलानी. It has been a month. It has been a month. मु तुमको देखिनी. I did not see you. I did not see you. दया करी किछि समय अपेक्षा करंतु. Please wait a moment. Please wait a moment. मु वर्तमान आसुछि. I am just coming. I am just coming. ताहा मो पई यथेष्ट. That's enough for me. That's enough for me. मो कथा भल भाबरे सुन. Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. तुमर स्वास्थ्यर जत्न नियो. Take care of your health. Take care of your health. तुम स्वास्थ्य अपेक्षा किछि गुरुत्वपूर्ण नुहे. Nothing is very important than your health. Nothing is very important than your health. मु सबु बेले तुम सेवा रे अछि. I am always at your service. I am always at your service. ନିଜ ସୀମାରେ ରୁହ। Be in your limits. Be in your limits. ତୁମେ କାହିଁକି ଏମିତି ଭାବୁଛ? Why do you think so? Why do you think so? ତୁମ ହାତରେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି? What is in your hand? What is in your hand? କିଛି ନାହିଁ। Nothing. Nothing. ଠିକ ଅଛି। It's okay. It's okay. ଦେଖେଇ ହୁଅ ନାହିଁ। Don't show off. Don't show off. ମୁଁ ଭଲ ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି କି? Am I look good? Am I look good? ମୁଁ କହିପାରିବି ନାହିଁ। I can't say. I can't say. ତୁମେ ସେଠାରେ ଖୁସିରେ ଅଛଟି? Are you happy there? Are you happy there? ହଁ, ମୁଁ ଏଠାରେ ବହୁତ ଖୁସିରେ ଅଛି। Yes, I am very happy here. Yes, I am very happy here. ତୁମେ ବୁଝିଲ କି? Did you understand? Did you understand? ନା, ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରିଲି ନାହିଁ। No, I did not understand. No, I did not understand. ମୁଁ ସବୁ କିଛି ଜାଣେ। I know everything. I know everything. ମୋତେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କର। Believe me. Believe me. ମୋର କିଛି ସନ୍ଦେହ ନାହିଁ। I have no doubt. I have no doubt. ଆଜିର ହୋମୱାର୍କ ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ପ୍ରତିଜ୍ଞା କରୁଛି ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବି। ଏହାର ଇଂଲିଶ କ'ଣ ହେବ ମୋତେ କମେଣ୍ଟରେ ଜଣାନ୍ତୁ। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।